I work small on purpose. A miniature canvas makes choices clearer and mistakes less intimidating. It invites freedom. When you're overwhelmed creatively, step into nature. Don't paint what you see, paint what you absorb. Let the sea choose your palette. Let wind shape your lines. With Posca, I block shapes first, no outlines. Layer lights to darks. Treat it like sculpting with color. On a small canvas, I only ask, does it feel right? I don't draw to impress, I don't draw to reconnect. Small daily acts like this, they quiet the noise. Art isn't about showing off, it's about showing up for yourself. A penguin on a shore may not make sense, but neither does life sometimes. Art makes space for whimsy, for healing, for you.